Sahih Al-Bukhari 3141, narrated Abdul Rahman bin Auf radiyallahu ta'ala anha. While I was standing in the row on the day of the battle of Badr, I looked to my right and my left hand, saw two young Ansari boys, and I wished I had been stronger than they. One of them called my attention, saying, "Oh uncle, do you know Abu Jahl?" I said, "Yes." "What do you want from him, oh my nephew?" He said, "I have been informed that he abused Allah's Messenger sallallaho, alaihi wasallam, by him in whose hands my life is. If I should see him, then my body will not leave his body till either for us meet his fate." I was astonished at that talk. Then the other boy called my attention, saying the same as the other had said. After a while I saw Abu Jahl walking amongst the people. I said to the boys, "Look, this is the man you asked me about." So both of them attacked him with their swords and struck him to death and returned to Allah's apostle to inform him of that. Allah's Messenger sallallaho alaihi wasallam asked, "Which of you has killed him?" Each of them said, "I have killed him." Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, "Have you cleaned your swords?" They said, "No." He then looked at their swords and said, "No doubt you both have killed him. The spoil of the deceased will be given to Muaz bin Amr bin al-Jamuh." The two boys were Muaz bin Afra and Muaz bin Amr bin al-Jamuh. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.